3 lighting tones: warm, cool, and natural. It's the perfect light to take away all your unflattering shadows. Customizable height: the LITTIL Superstar Slim comes with an expandable rod that can reach a height up to 5 feet 7 inches. Portable: with its easy to assemble and disassemble, the LITTIL Superstar Slim is go with you anywhere to get the perfect photos and videos. Super bright 11.5-inch ring light enables you to have multiple brightness levels while on the go. Influencer approved: popular social media influencers love capturing the perfect image, video or stories on the go. Top reviews from the United States. Great purchase for an actor who has self-tapes on the go. I've been on a hunt for something like this forever. As an actor, I often have to do self-tapes on the go, and this product has made that so much easier. It's smaller than the tripod I used to lug around. Also, when the ring light suddenly stopped working, the LITTIL customer service team promptly sent me a replacement. The only small thing is that I wish I could spin the iPhone holder, so I don't have to do the selfie cam and could more easily look at takes rather than taking my phone out of the holder. But, this is the only product I've found that comes even close to what I needed as an actor often on the go. Overall, a great purchase.